Okay, this is a Bowtie antenna that I've installed. Now, the problem I found with this antenna is right there, there's some wing nuts that attach it together. Now, I've had this thing actually kind of panned out a lot differently, and the winds hit this thing and moved it. And I've gone up to the roof to fix it and adjust the antenna a few times, and I keep having to go up and adjusting it. And my regret is, I wish I would have just bought a directional Yagi antenna instead of one of these antennas, because I find this antenna just is not, like, I've got some channels that get better on a pair of rabbit ears, and so it's hit or miss with this antenna. My experience with it, I like to just show how I set it up here. I set it up on this piece of masting here. So this piece of masting here, we look way up to the antenna there, or it's hard to see it there. Anyway, so you can take the masting here and just sort of turn it with your hand, which if you don't want to invest in a pole, and you don't necessarily always have to invest into having a router to turn your antenna. Now, if you have stations from far away, you can do that, but what I've done is just gone outside, turn the antenna to where I need it to be, and then aimed it so that I can get the channels in whatever direction. Good setup to have if you have a directional Yagi. The antenna also comes with these little black boxes that attach it. I guess there's supposed to be some sort of an amplifier, and then it goes onto that combiner there, where both the antennas attached to this combiner, which is a splitter, and runs down to the TV.